smiling faces to hide our shame. Nobody sees, for their eyes are blind. Nobody hears, for they chose not to listen. Indifference everywhere, nobody really cares but Jesus. So Lord, take my heart, take my life, make me whole, Jesus. So pour out your light into my dark. Pour out your love into my heart as I wait for you, my Lord. I wait for the break of the dawn, when the Lord shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel and the trump of God, and the earth shall tremble and the nations fall. The time is at hand, the end of it all. And nobody sees, for their eyes are blind.